Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video, I'm going to try on this beautiful bun wig. If you find this video entertaining or interesting, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.
You hurt me, you did, several times. It hurts to admit that we're no different. I find it hard to commit, but you don't even try. Still I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call it your eyes? I can't tell if you're here. Charming to me, I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a kill, pregnant for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy every time. Whatever it is, I keep on trying. 'Cause it ain't hard to forgive when you know what it's like. That's why I'm better with